the previous episodes, Emily and Mauricio were given a shape and asked to find the area. In this episode, they will start with the area and find shapes with that area. Specifically, they are asked to draw 4 shapes, each with an area of 8 centimeters squared.
Okay, Emily, could you read the first sentence of that task?
The grid is made from unit squares, each with an area of 1 centimeter squared.
Okay, just stop there. What do you think a centimeter squared is?
A centimeter by a centimeter.
Mm-hmm.
Do you agree?
Yeah.
Can someone draw it on there? Like fill in, show me what a centimeter squared is?
Oh yeah, I can use a bucket. Is this one right here?
Do you think that's a centimeter squared?
Mm-hmm.
Why is it a centimeter squared?
Because
It's centimeter by centimeter.
all these is like a centimeter.
Yeah.
Can you label where the centimeter is?
Can I label it? Like right here.
Like,
Just put.
So if there's a centimeter on each side, can you fill in that that square over there?
This one right here.
So that what he's just covering, that area is 1 centimeter squared. Is that what you're saying? Okay, now, Mauricio, can you read the rest of the instructions?
Create 4 shapes on the grid, each with an area of 8 centimeters squared. At least one must be a shape other than a rectangle or square. At least one shape must be used partial unit squares.
Now, what do you think this means? What do you think it's asking you to do?
To create a shape.
Create how many shapes?
4.
4. You have to make 4 shapes all together. And what has to be true about them?
They're all 8 centimeters squared.
Yeah, they all have to have an area of 8 centimeters squared. And what else? What does this first bullet mean?
It has to be a shape other than a rectangle or a square.
Yeah, just one of them. So you could have like 3 rectangles and one of a shape that's not a rectangle.
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. Tell me when you're just work together and let me know when you're done.
Alright. What color do you want to use?
Purple. The other one.
That one. Alright. Wait, we could do rectangles, right?
Yeah, would you think you can do rectangles?
Yeah.
What do the instructions say about that?
Only one of them can't be a rectangle.
At least one.
Yeah,
must
so
be
3 of them could be rectangles.
Yeah.
When it says 8, does that have to be like 8 total?
The area needs to be 8 centimeters squared.
Okay, I got it. So like 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that?
What do you think, Emily?
Yeah.
Does that work?
Mm-hmm.
What's the area?
8 centimeters squared.
Yeah.
Wait, say it a little louder.
8 centimeters squared.
8 centimeters squared. Do you agree with that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mauricio and Emily did it. They created a shape that has an area of 8 centimeters squared. They verified their solution by keeping a running total of the number of centimeters squared inside their rectangle. Next, Emily and Mauricio will draw 3 more shapes that each have an area of 8 centimeters squared. Pause the video and try the problem on your own. Then, resume the video to compare your work with Emily and Mauricio.
Did we get 3 triangles?
No, because that one's like
Hey,
that.
hold on. Look. Onto that. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6,
That's
7,
what they
8.
have.
It's 8. It's 8. Think about
I
it.
don't think.
Look, so you know how we did those? Look, Look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Half of these. 1. Half of these. Another
Oh,
one.
yeah.
Well, we gotta move it, huh? Right there's good, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Another rectangle?
Yeah. Make it like vertical though.
Wait, hold up. Then just religion. One more shape. It could one.
What do you think?
Could it be another triangle?
Whatever you want. It could be a weird shape. It could be another triangle. It could be another rectangle.
Well, I think we could do this one.
Maybe.
That's
4, 5, 6, 7,
8.
8.
Wait,
Just make it a little small. 4, 5, 6, 8. Yeah.
yeah. What color?
Did you do so? Did you find one?
Yeah. Yeah.
Very cool. Can you tell me how you know that's 8 centimeters squared?
Because the middle it's already 4, and then the top is which 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 4 is 8.
Do you agree, Emily?
Mhm.
How did you do the counting?
The same
Show me
way.
with your pen.
I did.
Do a pentacle.
I just found the pencil. So I did these.
Oh, the easy ones.
Counted those.
How much was that?
4. And then
Switch the color.
this is. That's 1. 2 halves is 1.
Okay.
This also makes 1. 1 and 1. Those are 4. So
Plus 1.
4 plus 4 equals 8.
Oh, cool. And what
Seven.
unit is it?
Centimeters squared.
Excellent. Wow, you did it!
Emily and Mauricio made lots of different shapes. They first drew a black rectangle. It's a vertical version of their purple rectangle. So they didn't need to count to know that its area is 8 centimeters squared. They also created a triangle. Did you get that one? To see that the area of the triangle is 8 centimeters squared, they first counted each whole centimeter squared and kept a total. They knew that each little triangle is 1/2 of a centimeter squared. So putting 2 little triangles together gave them 1 centimeter squared. And that worked! The area of the yellow triangle is 8 centimeters squared. Emily and Mauricio's last shape was a diamond. To check that the area was 8 centimeters squared, they also counted 4 centimeters squared in the center of the diamond, then they grouped every 2 of the little triangles together to form 1 centimeter squared. So, the area of the diamond is also 8 centimeters squared.